In a factory which manufactures the bolts, machine A, B and C manufacture respectively 25%, 35% and 40% of the bolts. Of their output, 5%, 4% and 2% respectively defective. That means your machine A manufactures 25% and 5% are defective. B, 35% manufactures and 4% are defective. C, 40% manufacturing and 2% defective bolts. A bolt is drawn at random from the product and is found to be defective. What is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? थोडक्यात मॅन्युफॅक्चर केलेल्या बोल्टपैकी एक बोल्ट घेणार आहे. तो बोल्ट डिफेक्टिव्ह आहे, पण तो मशीन बीने बनवलेला असण्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय? आता मॅन्युफॅक्चर केलेला बोल्ट डिफेक्टिव्ह आहे, तो आयदर एचा असेल, बीचा असेल किंवा सीचा असेल, पण त्याच्यापैकी बीचा असण्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी काय ती आपल्याला विचारली. सो दॅट इज वॉट द केस ऑफ देअरफॉर दिस इज द केस ऑफ ए बायस थिअरम. I will make 3 events, B1, B2 and B3. Okay. Now what B1 says? The bolt is manufactured by A. B2 is the bolt manufactured by B. B3 is bolt manufactured by C. काही लोकांना प्रश्न पडतो की हे B1, B2, B3 घ्यायचे कसे प्रॉब्लेम्स मध्ये. It's very simple. What is your total sample space? Produced bolts is your sample space. Is it? So this sample space is divided into 3 groups, or say these bolts are produced by 3 machines, A, B and C. So do you find any dependency between A, B or B, C or A, C? No. That means they are disjoint cells. But if I take the production from A, B and C is my total sample space. So A union B union C is my sample space S. That means it is a therefore the production from A, B and C is treated as a mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So hence for A I am assigning B1, for B I am assigning B2, for C I am assigning B3. Like in the previous example I am making here E1 and E2. So there are 2 bags. So the balls which are in the bag 1 or the balls which are in the bag 2, is there any dependency among them? No, not at all. The balls in bag 1 are different. The ball in bag 2 are different. हां, मान्य आहे, ते 3 रेड आणि 4 ब्लॅक आहेत, इकडे 5 रेड आणि 6 ब्लॅक आहेत, पण त्यांच्यामध्ये काही डिपेंडन्सी नाही आहे. सो देअर इंटरसेक्शन इज एम्प्टी. बट वेन आय कलेक्ट देम in case of my random experiment, what is my random experiment there? I am drawing 1 ball at a time. So while drawing 1 ball at a time, my total sample space is the balls from bag 1 plus balls from bag 2. So there are total 7 plus 11. 18 balls is my sample space. Are you getting my point? So hence the union of these two is my sample space and their intersection is empty. Hence I am treating them as a E1 and E2. I hope now this idea is clear. So clearly B1, B2, B3 all are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Okay? Hence they represent a partition of a sample space. Now I am taking EB event. The event that the bolt is defective. Okay. Now what is the probability of B1? That is, what is how many means out of total sample space, how many bolts are manufactured by B1 is 25. So probability of B1 is at 25%, that is 25 by 100, which gives me 0.25. Like this I can define probability of B2 as 0.35. Probability of B3 is 40%, that is 0.40. Is it? Now probability of E by B, conditional probability of EB1 is, it means that the B1 is already occurred. That means the bolt which I selected is manufactured by A and it is found to be defective. So occurrence is a bolt is from A and my expected probability is for it is a defective. So I will elaborate this statement specifically. probability that the bolt, not ball, it's a bolt drawn is defective given that it is manufactured by machine A. So what is the defective probability for A? It is 5%. So hence it is 0.05. Similarly, probability of E by B2 is 0.04. Probability of E by B3 is 0.02. Now we are supposed to calculate a probability of conditional probability of B2 when E is already occurred. That means I have selected a defective bolt. What is the chance that it is from the machine B? मी एक बोल्ट सिलेक्ट करणार आहे की जो डिफेक्टिव्ह आहे हे मला माहिती आहे, पण तो डिफेक्टिव्ह बोल्ट बी मशीनने प्रोड्यूस केलेल्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी हवी आहे. म्हणजे ऑकरन्स काय, द बोल्ट इज डिफेक्टिव्ह आणि एक्सपेक्टेड काय, तो मशीन बी ने केलेला आहे. सो दॅट्स वाय दिस वन. सो इट इज गिवन बाय Bayes theorem. It is given by probability of B2 into probability of E by B2 divided by probability of B1 into probability of E by B1 plus probability of B2 into probability of E by B2 plus probability of E B3. Okay. Substitute those values. 0.35 into 0.04 divided by 0.25 into 0.05 plus 0.35 into 0.04 plus 0.4 into 0.02. So the answer is 0.0140, and this one is 0.0345. That is 28 by 69 is my answer. Okay. Let's move to the another problem. For this particular problem, I will provide the hint as I'm expected you to solve this question. A bag contains 5 balls and it is known how many of them are white. A bag contains, only one bag is there and having only 5 balls. It is known how many, it is not known, आपल्याला माहिती नाही आहे how many of them are white. त्या 5 बॉल पैकी किती व्हाईट आहे ते आपल्याला माहित नाही. ओके, ही कंडिशन महत्वाची आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. 2 balls are drawn at random from the bag and they are noted to be white. मी बॅगेतनं 2 बॉल घेणार आहे आणि असं लक्षात आहे किंवा असं नोट केलं की ते व्हाईट आहे, असं धरलेलं आहे ते व्हाईटच आहेत बॉल. व्हॉट इज द चान्स दॅट ऑल बॉल्स इन द बॅग आर व्हाईट? थोडक्यात तुम्हाला काय विचारलंय, मी जे 2 बॉल्स घेणार आहे, समजा त्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी 2 बॉल्स घेणार आहे ते व्हाईट आहे. ओके, सो सॉरी, आय जस्ट मेक इट डिफरंट वे. मी जे 2 बॉल घेतले ते दोन्ही व्हाईट आहेत. सो दिस इज द ऑकरन्स ऑफ माय इव्हेंट. व्हॉट इज द चान्स दॅट ऑल बॉल्स आर व्हाईट? सो दिस प्रोबॅबिलिटी दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. ओके, आता प्रश्न इथे E1, E2, E3 किंवा B1, B2, B3 मगाशी एक्झाम्पल सारखे कसे करायचे? दॅट्स अ व्हेरी बिग चॅलेंज. सी, देर आर 5 balls. Out of that, 2 balls are going to draw at a time. And what is given? काय दिलंय तुम्हाला इथे? ऑलरेडी ऑकरन्स काय आहे? दोन्ही व्हाईट आहे. Those 2 draw balls are white. म्हणजे 5 पैकी 2 बॉल नक्की व्हाईट आहेत. पण काय काय पॉसिबिलिटीज असू शकतात 5 बॉलमध्ये? आयदर 2 white balls, or there are 3 white, or there are 4, or there are 5. So my B1 is the event. The bag contains only 2 white balls. The rest we don't know. The B2 is bag contains 3. The B3 is bag contains 4 white balls, and B4 is all balls are white. In other way, I am supposed to calculate the probability of B4 by W. I was supposed to calculate the probability of B4 by W, that is occurrence of the white ball. 2 balls which are drawn are white. This is already occurred, but they are from B4. म्हणजे सगळेच त्या बॅग मध्ये व्हाईट होते. So I am expected to find the probability of B4 by W. Okay, so W is my event. drawing two white balls is my W. Okay. Now one more question you will be faced. What is the probability of B1? What is probability of B2? What is probability of B3? And what is the probability of B4? See, when I look at how many white balls in the bag is not known. Therefore, we can say these B1, B2, B3 and B4 are equally likely. Either your bag selection would be having only 2 white, किंवा ते 3 असू शकतात, 4 असतील, 5 असतील, त्यांना equally likeliness आहे. Hence, there are 4s. Out of that, I am going to select one of them. So, hence, their probabilities is 1 by 4. Now, I am leaving the probability of A by B1, A by B2, A by B3 and A by B4 on your own. Let's try for them and let me know the answer of this. Okay. Thank you everyone.